This is Ask Me About First Home Buying. My name is Elizabeth Lyons. I'm a country artist, singer, songwriter, and in this video, I'm going to break down how to buy a house. First, you have to find the house, then you put in an offer, then there's the negotiation process, then you put down the down payment, then you have your closing costs, your inspection costs, and we actually did a video plumbing inspection, especially on old houses like this one. You really want to do that, and just to make sure that you see everything. Our inspection that we got back to a contractor, 2 different contractors, and got prices on what it would cost to fix and what was important to get fixed, or what are some things that we can push back, because you do want to fix certain things that are like a safety hazard or that need to be fixed now, but you also want to delay maintenance as much as possible. There's landscaping costs, survey, your title fees, and then obviously once you move into a house, you have to set up electricity, water, gas, garbage, and then you also have to pay the PO, if you have a PO, or like garden security fee. And then insurance. A good thing about insurance is you want to get a lot of different quotes, because you can just get such a variety of different quotes from insurance companies, and you want to find something that fits your needs. So there was a lot of things that I didn't realize this process of like buying a house. There's no like handbook, but I hope that this video hopefully helps you to go through your process of buying. Even if you're a first-time home buyer, you just have to give yourself a little grace, because at the end of the day, it's the first time that you're doing it, and every time that you do something for the first time is a learning experience.